Hey, good morning. It's now the next day, and we're going to have a look at what went on this evening. What I've done here is set up the 1 day on the pound and the 1 hour on the pound. So you can see how these two are reacting simultaneously here. The 1 day is just about to come into a nice long downward trend. The blue line's about to cross the white line, and it's already dropped nicely across the white and bounced up to green. At the same time, as you can see, it was coming up to green over here. It's coming up to the red line of the 1 hour chart. And the 1 hour chart obviously crossed blue way back when. It's dropped, hit yellow, done the white and the red thing here. So we got into a trade a little bit earlier, perhaps on white, and it's got a bit higher. The stop loss was way up here. So we're confident it's going to be coming back down again. So again, every time I click the button here, we're looking at 5 minutes in time. And we can whip through the evening and the European session. And well, let's just whip through here. Here we go. This is again what happened in the last movie, if you remember. We had a whole ton of trades. That was the 15th, and these were all on the 16th. A really, really busy day. Now, typically what you're going to find is after a busy day like this one, it's going to be a bit flat for a while the market breathes and sort of comes to terms with a new reality. But this was a phenomenal day. It's been a long time since we've had a day like this. But they're going to be more and more often, and by a long time I mean, maybe a couple of days. The way that this thing is going this time. But anyway, let's have a look at this. We're back to the charts. We've got triggers set, a red one here, a white, and a red trigger over here, and this is the trade that we're in. So let's go back to the trade and watch how this thing progresses. Okay, so let's get back to this. And we'll just chug along here. Something happened there. What do we look at? Well, again, the long-term chart here, blue crossed white. It's already hit yellow. It's done the white thing, so it's a downward trend, no question about it. And this is our profit and loss on that English trade here. Again, let's just chug through. It's getting close to stopping us out, or not stopping us out, but rather limiting us out with a profit. And hey presto, we're out. And we'll have a look at the results on that in a minute. We'll just let this thing chug through. It's coming up to, you can see the time now, 3:45 a.m. in the morning. And as I say, it was a bit uneventful. What do we get here? If we go back here we go. That was that British trade, the last one that we had from yesterday. The one that was negative has ended up being a small positive trade, and we're out of all of our trades. And hey presto, that's it. So we're out of all of our trades. We've got $7,200 in profits overall, so that's equivalent to 7.2% on the account since we opened it up. We'll be posting that in the members area and the public area pretty soon here, I think. All right, well, that's it. It's now 6:16 a.m. in the morning, and we're taking some new snapshots for the next movie.